So, we eat broccoli tonight. And yes, I haven't been sitting still. I'm gonna bring the broccoli to my worms. Because some people here inspired me. And I thought, nice, let's do that. Look, I built myself a teeny mini tiny worm farm. Appleke. Well, with the hot weather, I just put ice cubes on it to keep it wet. I just put potatoes in it, potato peels. And here goes the broccoli. I also put coffee on it and just everything I eat. Well, not everything, no citrus and stuff. But I don't know anything about this. And let's see. Worms. And massive worms. This looks good. The soil, it's a bit wet, maybe. But I'll take a look. What I can do about that. But yeah, everybody here, give me advice. I just started making this 2 weeks ago. And I want to build a wooden one, big one. Because I noticed that I have way more that I can put in there than what they can eat and too many worms. Yeah, small update how my yard looks now with a puppy in here who destroys everything. He destroyed my pond, takes the plants out, poops and pisses everywhere. But it's still okay. Okay. Red cabbage going good.
Yeah, get that ball. Get that ball. Get that ball. You get that ball.
Lots of tomatoes. Like lots. Broccoli doesn't look that nice anymore. Yep. Okay, look, who's coming to take a look? Hello. Oh, you want it? Nep. These tomatoes are huge. Like huge. But I finally kind of got my great green wall. My personal great green wall. That's what I wanted. Monster, what are you doing? Hey, Jake. Stop. Stop. Nee? Good so. That's a good boy. Yeah, he destroyed this completely. Like, completely. He's having the zoomies and goes around. Like this. Still some apples in it. They will be good soon enough, so yay.